and welcome back to Wandering Wild. It's Wild Wednesday, and today we're going to talk all about spotted eagle rays. Now, a spotted eagle ray is a type of ray species that you've probably seen before, even if you didn't know it. Mr. Ray, the teacher on the famous movie Finding Nemo and Finding Dory, is a spotted eagle ray. So today we're going to learn all about him and his fellow spotted eagle rays. Spotted eagle rays, and rays in general, are species of cartilaginous fish. And what this means is, much like sharks, they don't have bones. Instead, their entire structure is made up of cartilage. Now, cartilage is what makes up the end of our nose and our ears. And so you can think about, it's not as hard as bone. However, it does have the ability to provide shape and structure while being slightly flexible. Now, recently, the spotted eagle ray has been discussed as maybe being split into separate species depending on region. However, in this video, we're going to talk just generally about the spotted eagle ray as it's traditionally been described. We're not going to split it into its different possible new species right now because honestly, they're all very similar, and the very few differences that they may have is not going to be important to you at this moment. The spotted eagle ray is found all over the globe pretty much, from the Pacific to the Atlantic and the Indian Ocean. The way that you identify this quintessential ray is that it has that ray structure, but its entire back is covered in spots that are usually either white spots or white rings. Now, at the base of the body of this ray is a long tail, along each side of which are extremely venomous barbs. Spotted eagle ray, like most rays, has that flat disc-shaped body as well as a slightly pointed snout, much like a duckbill, that allows it to root around in the sand to find its food, which we'll talk about a little bit later. Mature spotted eagle rays can reach lengths of up to 16 feet, and some of the largest have a wingspan of up to 10 feet. So that's a 10-foot by 16-foot ray. Quite large. Now, because of this length and girth, they can weigh up to 500 pounds. Now, the spotted eagle rays feed mostly on things such as bivalves, crabs, whelks, and other benthic beings, which is things that lie around or under the surface of the sand at the bottom of the ocean floor. Now, these rays actually have specialized chevron-shaped teeth that allow it to break into mollusk shells for them to be able to eat them. Now, even though these large rays do have those venomous barbs, they're really not a great threat to humans. Those barbs are more or less there to protect the ray from other predators who may want to eat it. However, the most dangerous thing that's ever happened with these rays is that occasionally they have been known to leap out of the water and land on boats and, coincidentally, people. And that's the most dangerous thing these rays really do. And for that reason, we don't have a lot of interest in them. They're not even hunted for food, really, or fished for food. Now, even though we don't particularly want eagle rays for anything except for possibly the aquarium trade, however, they're so large, they're really only kept in public aquariums. However, they are considered near threatened on the IUCN Red List, and this is mostly because they tend to get caught in shark nets, or nets that are put up in places, especially like the coast of South Africa, to prevent sharks from getting too close to the beaches where there are swimmers. Now, because of this, efforts have been put forth to take away some of these shark nets to prevent entanglement. Also, in many places, such as off the coast of Florida, it's illegal to catch, sell, or purchase any eagle rays at all. These eagle rays are also protected in the Great Barrier Reef, where you would find Mr. Ray from Finding Nemo. I hope you enjoyed learning all about the spotted eagle ray here on Wandering Wild. And as always, my sources are found in the description box below, and if you have any questions, just put them down in the comments. And stay wild and never stop wondering.